So this is just a temporary mount. I just put a couple fasteners through to just, keep it from getting knocked over at night or anything. I don't think a cat would knock this over, but it's just a couple pieces to keep it from, just in case something happens. I have to cover it with plastic because they'll just pee all over the darn thing. But anyway, I think they want me to mount these underneath the tray. So I'm going to call them tomorrow and see if it's an absolute must, because if anything, I'm going to have a 6mm machine screw coming through the bottom of this cabinet. This is actually metal underneath wood. So with a really wide washer, I'll just go ahead and mount that. So I think that might actually would work. But I might call them and just see if these sorts of things are an absolute must, because it's going to be a pretty solid mount if I was to use that in that way, I think. But I'll see what the company says, and I'm going to go get a couple 6mm screws just to be on the safe side and keep them around a little bit longer. So it's going to be pretty pretty exciting. I have to get some stuff to rub off all of that preservative. And also, I need to figure out how to. I think it said to use some sort of wax as care on the metal. So it's going to be I'm going to have to learn a lot about this. It's kind of like my first lathe, It's going to be. I'm going to learn quite a bit about how to use a lathe, and I might go see what a little machine shop has to offer. But I got the larger of the Win mini lathes, so I got the max swing 7-inch. Max center to center 16-inch, spindle bore 0.8-inch, spindle taper MT3, tailstock taper MT2, crossline travel 2.5 inches, compound travel 2.16 inches, spindle speed 100 to 250, 100 to 2500 RPM. So this is quite the learning experience, and I want to learn how to make pivot pins. It comes with a pretty massive bag of goodies here. So anyway, I'm excited to get that up and running. And don't worry about the haters. Just let the haters worry about you.